Inventory Pro's AI assistant can turn a plain question into a real business graph. Let's go through every kind of graph it can create, one by one. First, a bar chart. Ask for top products by revenue, and the assistant ranks them instantly, perfect for spotting your best sellers. Next, a line chart. Ask for daily sales over the last week, and it plots a clean trend line so you can see exactly which days were strongest. Then an area chart. Ask for this month's sales trend, and the filled area makes momentum and growth easy to read at a glance. And a donut chart. Ask for inventory value by category, and it shows exactly where your cash is locked up in stock. The assistant can also combine every graph type in a single dashboard response: customers, stock, sales, and products, all compared together from one question. It's not just charts. The same assistant can take real actions, like creating a new product, directly from a chat message, right inside your permissions.